Tigernix Wastewater Reuse Solution. Tigernix Wastewater Reuse Solution fuses AI, IoT, digital twin simulations, GIS, predictive analytics, and satellite monitoring into one cloud-based ecosystem. It oversees the complete life cycle of reuse, from treatment to recycling through a unified digital panel that optimizes quality, ensures compliance, and prevents contamination. Tigernix Solution offers smart dashboards that automatically monitor, forecast, and fine-tune critical reuse metrics. Empower your reuse infrastructure with Industry 4.0 capabilities all under single platform. Connect with Tigernix today by emailing info@tigernix.com or dialing +656 760 6647. Tigernix Wastewater Reuse Solution, where intelligent, sustainable, and future-ready wastewater reuse begins.